Hey guys, going to work on my dad's 2010 TriGlide today. I'm going to do some rear brake work. First thing you got to do is take these little clips off. And these calipers are pretty much like car brakes, but they're a little different. This is the parking brake lever. You want to take that rear nut off there and then make a note of where the lever is. And then just slip the lever off. And you're going to take this rubber boot off that's right behind the lever. And there's a big nut behind there. And you want to go ahead and just loosen that. You don't have to take it off while you have the caliper still hooked up. And the left side of the bike is left-hand thread, by the way. Then we're going to take off, just like a normal caliper, we're going to take off the caliper bolts. There's two of them. They're Allen heads. Get those off. And you can just slip the caliper off the rotor like so. Brake pads just come out. Now you want to take that big nut and just kind of loop back it off a little bit, and then you can take the spline that's behind it and actually pull it out. That'll take the tension off of your caliper piston. And you can take a brake tool, or I got C-clamps here, just push your piston back in so you got room again, and then just leave it like that and put it back together. Of course, the easiest way we found to do this was just put in the top bolt just loose and then just roll the brake out. Of course, now you want to put the brakes in the right way, not that way. They would tend to squeak if you put them in that direction. Get the back one in, then get the front one in. Just kind of pull the caliper out and push it in between it. And put your two caliper bolts back on. Get those nice and tight. And then when you go to the back, you're going to turn the parking brake shaft in until it's just finger tight, and then you can tighten up the big nut. And then put your parking brake arm back on in basically the same position it was, and you'll have to readjust your parking brake at the handle. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.